Hello friends, today I am going to show you the sightseeing of Pathankot railway station, Kangra Devi temple and Chamunda Devi temple. We start our journey from Pathankot railway station to Kangra railway station through toy train meter gauge. Friends, as we know that there is a toy train between Kalka to Shimla. Similarly, same size train, toy train, is available from Pathankot to Jogindernagar, Himachal Pradesh. And from this train, you can reach to Kangra Devi temple. If we talk about the distance between Pathankot to Kangra railway station, it comes around 94 kilometers. So, enjoy the sightseeing and subscribe my channel to get more informative videos in future as well.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And